Right, back at my Fiesta. Now, this is a set of spotlights I've had for, thinking about for years. One that's on the Fiesta. I've been on there that long, but they're corroding on the inside, so I think what I'll do is I'll unbolt these and I'll need to make up brackets for these ones. I'll fit these ones. And then, in this box from Tinu, I need to check the work first. I'll get these. Now, I was going to put these on the pickup, but I think what I'll do with these is, see how I've got that indicator cut into the bumper there? I'll see on this side, see if I can cut the bumper just as much to take that, so it's only say halfway into that vinyl. I'll get them on there, on either side. I'll wire them all up. I think that's a plan. Now I've got a 17mm spanner here. Crack that spotlight off. That's it. That's it. I'll make better. There's another one that will make brackets for the other ones. Here's what I've got. Gee whiz. I'm just using a wee dumpy spanner, so I've got a bigger one. Jeez, so that's ticked. Eh? What's going on with that? Jeez, I didn't get a longer spanner. Next thing to that, I got a big long little spanner. Gee whiz. What's going on? That whole thing's twisting in the whole thing. Now listen, I need somebody to hud the lamp. I don't know if the gun would go in there. Buzz that off. Aye, it would with an extension. So I'll do, I won't get the buzz gun. Jeez. I think I've got it. In that. Yeah, man. I was listening. A twist. You got a spanner on that arm, but I didn't know. Maybe a spanner on the body might be the thing to do. Like that. Oh, I'll just go get the heat gun. I don't know if there's a lot or not, I've got the wheel gun on it. I didn't run. I think it's doing something. These are going in the bin anyway, these. Jeez, oh. I'll stop listening and see what's going on. Alright, I got it now. I had to buzz it in and out with the gun a few times. I got this big. No way you were getting out with that wee dumpy spanner in I just didn't want to burst my grill, you see. That's all good. So I think I'll bin these. Lights now. I was going to keep it on the tractor. Yeah, I'll get modern lights on the tractor. I can try these ones up now, you see. I'll just need to make wee brackets. That'll be fine. That's been a wee bit down on me, this one with that there. I'll compare it with the other one once I get it off. Asked me to get both these spotlights off. This is one of the LED ones. I did think about putting them on there, but there's the fun in that. I'll get this bumper cut. I'll wait till somebody's here to give me a hand because I only got one shot at it to get it right. So we'll get them sunk in. So I will sunk into the bumper. Yeah. So yeah, I'll bracket on there to bolt it on. The screw will be behind the black vinyl because I've got more of that. Imagine that. And that bit. And that in there. That'll be cool. I've got a few plans for this Fiesta this year. Right. What I need to do now is go and get the spotlights down the garage, the new ones we're going to use, and try and find some metal that I can adapt to the top of that bracket. Let's do a couple of U brackets, but it's getting something that'll no rust. Maybe a wee bit of aluminium, I'll see what I can find. Don't know if I'll have something here today though. I might.